Hello, today we will guide you through how to create knowledge base in Confluence. We'll begin from the Confluence overview page. This is your starting point, where you can access different workspaces and manage content across your site. If you are already signed in, you should be able to see the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From there, click on Spaces in the left navigation. This area is where Confluence organizes teams, projects, and documentation into dedicated sections. Since a knowledge base is created as its own space, this is the right place to begin. Once you're in the Spaces area, click Create a Space. This opens the setup flow for building a new space in Confluence. If you're creating documentation for support content, internal help articles, or common how-to resources, this setup will help you get started with the right structure. Next, enter a sample space name. This name will be how your knowledge base is identified, so choose something clear and easy to recognize. In this example, you can use a simple placeholder name. The goal here is just to create the space and move through the setup process. After naming the space, click on Knowledge Base. This tells Confluence that you want to create a space specifically designed for storing and organizing helpful articles, answers, and reference material. Choosing the correct space type is important because it determines the layout and default options available to you. Then click Next to continue. This moves you into the configuration stage where Confluence shows what is included with the knowledge base setup. At this point, select the sample option under the section showing what your knowledge base comes with. This allows you to use the pre-configured content or layout provided during setup. It can be especially useful if you want a starting framework rather than building everything from scratch. In the Features area, turn on the Sample option. This step enables the sample features shown during setup. Keeping this turned on can help you preview how the knowledge base may look and how pages can be organized. Once everything is set, click Create Space. Confluence will then generate your new knowledge base space based on the options you selected. After the space is created, you'll be ready to start reviewing the sample structure and customizing it for your own content. That's all it takes to create a knowledge base in Confluence.